This short video covers how you can change the password in your account should this ever become necessary for you. First, on the Spitfire Audio website, having logged into your account, click on the account icon in the top left of the screen and then on My Details. Click Change on the password box here, where you'll be prompted to log in again to confirm authorization to make account changes. Enter your current login details, and then in the next window, enter the new password you've chosen for this account. As usual with these forms, it asks you to enter this twice for verification. So once entered in both fields, click on Change Password at the bottom. The next window should confirm that your password has been successfully changed. This change is usually immediate, so you should be able to log in using your new password directly after this change.
Thanks for watching Spitfire Clips. Let us know if it was too long, too short, too fast, or too slow in the comments down below. Hit like if we answered your question, and subscribe for more clips, tips, tricks, and exclusive Spitfire content.